All right, Rebecca. In 2021, we spoke on a panel together, and when asked about your success, you gave a truly insightful response, which you've already touched on a bit. You said that mentors, and it's Rebecca, so you can imagine how she said it. Mentors are great, but champions are everything, because every major decision about your career will be made in a room that you're not in. So make sure that there's a champion in there fighting for you. So you have reached a level of success at this point where you still want to have champions, but you are absolutely a champion for others. So my question is when you meet an individual or you've known them for a while, how do you distinguish between, is this someone that I want to be a mentor to or a champion for?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I'm really drawn to people that display bravery, because a lot of what you do is going to feel really, really scary. And there's a guy, I'll just say his name. His name's Noah Bell. I've never met him. He's at ICT. And he made a list, I guess, of people he wanted to know. And he called each of us and wished us a Merry Christmas. And please don't all do that. But I thought that was so brave and charming. And if I had to check on Noah Bell, whoever and wherever he is in 3 years, I'd guess he's going to be somewhere, because bravery is such a big part of it. Hardworking, of course, as cliche as it sounds. I need someone who can do the work. Authentic, it's such a magnet when you're yourself. People can't get enough of it. I think that's really special when people know how to be authentic. Impeccable to your word. Every time I see Alexa at an event and have probably had a glass of wine or two, I always tend to corner you and say, like, you know why you're so special? Because you do everything you say you're gonna do. And that resonates with people. I mean, everyone has big ideas, right? And a lot of them are great ideas, but you do everything you say you're gonna do. Like, you pulled off a golf tournament. You don't even know what a putter is, you know? Like, I mean, you do now. And I don't either, but so I think that's really cool. And then the other thing too is when you kind of find that special person, when they reciprocate, I can't want it for you more than you want it for yourself. And when you make the most of our time together and you show up prepared and you have goals or questions or concerns that we can tackle, then we can like really get going. So those are some of those important components that I look for.